Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a form in MS Access. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do if you want to create a form, before that you need to create a table. So as you can see, I have already created a table. So what we need to do, we have to go to the create section. And after going to the create section, as you can see, has an option for the form wizard. We are going to choose this one because this one is more easier than others. So I'm going to click on this, and now we need to select the table which we want to connect, so which we want to link. For example, I'm going to select the student one, and now I'm going to put the all columns into form, and now click on the next. And now we need to leave it default as it, and now we have to click on the next, and now simply we need to click on the finish, and the form will be created. So as you can see, the form is created. Now simply you just need to put the data here, and the data will be automatically saved into your table. Now you need to press the enter, and the data will be automatically saved into your database. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create a form. Just have to follow these steps. It's very easy. Create button and form wizard, and the form will be created. So see you guys in the next video.